Trust me, napakasarap guys. Chicken pastil. Pwede kayong gumamit ng chicken, beef, or lamb for this one. I'm using chicken breast. So skin on, okay lang. Wala namang problema. Just to keep it moist, no? Or kung may buto nga, wala rin problema. So put them all together. Tapos syempre may aromatics tayo. Laurel, saka sibuyas. And then, nor chicken broth paste. Just to give flavor to the stock and to the meat. Boil lang and simmer hanggang maluto yung chicken. Okay, so ito na po yung shredded natin na pinakulo ang chicken breast, no? Butang taog oil. Onions guys. Bawang. Gusto ko muna igisa yan hanggang maging fragrant. Green chili, siling labuyo, more oil. At this point, nalagay ko na yung Knorr oyster sauce ko. Optional, turmeric, Knorr liquid seasoning. Lagyan na po natin yung shredded chicken natin. At more oil, pusaw magmamantika yan. Lalagay po ako ng toyo, saka dark soya, pang paitin. And then yung pinaglutuan ko pong stock, nag-add po tayo ng konti. Sugar, pambalansi ho. And then another stock, dagdag lang tayo ng konti. Then gisa lang natin hanggang maluto. Okay, so to finish it off, lagay po tayong paminta. Tapos na ho ang chicken pastil natin. It's time to balot. Normally, they eat this in a banana leaf with rice on top. So ilalagay lang natin sa ibabaw yun, guys. And all you have to do now is balot, pailalim. This one is a condiment that they use for any of their viands made of sakurab. It's a special salot po na dun lang tumutubo. You serve this with this one. Sobrang lasa nung pater. Very nice. Try niyo po.